What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on bats. Today I'm going to be seeing which bat I can hit a baseball the farthest. First, I got the Cat 9 Connect aluminum. We have a wood bat, phenix wood bat, a cracked Demarini CF black, which I am thinking will be the winner. We got one crack right there. Don't know if you can see it, and then another seam starting to crack right there. Then we have the Easton Ghost X. We're going to see which one can hit the farthest. Alright, everybody, first I'm going to start with the heaviest bat, the wood bat. Phenix wood bat, 31 inches, drop 3 or 5. Going to start hitting with this bad boy. Just going to toss him up and then I'm going to hit him. Not a bad first hit with the wood bat. Seemed like a pretty good contact. And it's about 250 out to the road. Can't really see it, but it's about 250. I don't know if we're going to be hitting any that far, but we're getting coach pitch. Yeah, easy. But that was another nice hit with the wood. Oh. That sounded nice. Different way of throwing it up. Oh! That was a pretty good line drive. It's a good sounding wood bat, that's for sure. Probably 175. Not thinking that I can hit it very far with the wood, because it's wood. Alright, sweet spot feels great. Everything about it feels great. It's a little heavy, but I mean, it's hitting the ball far for a wood, seems like. Oh! That was nice. Good piece. Gonna take two daddy hacks, and then I'm gonna get to the next bat. Oh! Into the tree! Oh! That was probably 200. That was a perfect right there. We're gonna get on to the next bat. Now I'm gonna use an Easton Ghost X. We're gonna see how far we can hit with this bat. This 31 drop 10. Not gonna be using this, but seemed like a good contender. Feels so light now that I just used a 20-ounce bat, 25. Now I'm using a 20. Oh my! It's different because I don't know what kind of composite this is. Oh! I got a good piece of that one. Not bad. You're just getting solid pieces. Oh! Need to lift it a little more. Too much. Gonna take some really good swings now. Woo-hoo! Oh! Pulled that one. Last one with the ghost. Oh! Almost to the pine tree. Alright, now we are going to get to the Cat 9 Connect. Here it is, the Cat 9 Connect with the double cracked Demarini CF black next. This is 30 drop 8. It's got some swings. Gonna take more swings of this one because it's got higher potential. Oh my. First swing over the stump. Man, it doesn't seem to be hitting it too hard. That's the last one. Honestly, I think this might be in third place. Cat 9 Connect. That's crazy. But now we're gonna go to all you've been waiting for. Here it is. Black Demarini CF. Cracked in 2 places. This is what you've been waiting for. Here we go, first swing. Oh! That was one of the farthest hits yet. I don't know if it sounds good or dead. It sounds both. If you're wondering how I cracked it, I hit like a 235 bomb off a 75-mile pitcher. So, in 12U. So that's how this thing got cracked. Then I hit it a few more times and then it just kind of cracked again. Oh my! Woo-hoo! I think that might be the number 1. Okay, so I just went up, picked up a couple baseballs, and I confirmed that the Demarini CF Black did hit the farthest baseball. Oh! It was only about this much, which then I'm pretty sure was by the Easton Ghost, which very surprised me. I didn't think it would bring to the top. But I'm gonna hit a few more of these, see if I can hit it even farther than all the others. Oh! I think I almost just hit the farthest. I'm just gonna full swing as hard as I can. I don't care about all my hitting stances. I'm just gonna let it go. Ugh. Only about to the stump. And hit it right on the center crack. Oh my! Did you hear that sound difference? That was crazy sounding. Oh, I think that just took the lead somehow. Farthest baseball hit, and I think by far. We got 2 more baseballs I'm gonna hit with this thing. I'm just gonna let them go. Ugh. That might have been the new farthest. Here we go, last baseball. Here we go. That's disappointing. I mean, cracks on them don't look really any different. There's the one, and there's the other. Oh, it's harder to see, but I think you can see it, that seam right there. And yeah, right there is the first one. But thank you all for watching this video. If you want me to see this bat cut straight in half, me hitting absolute dingers, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.